रिव्यू to decide about Baba कोण किती करता, how is in place, everything place.
Static नहीं रोला
ना static तो submission आहे, local logistic everything is applied.
DFF चे आयला, DFF चे आयला.
NFDC दोघे आले.
See DFF part is also there, Sentinel is also. You are the director.
NFDC आली.
तसे सपोगोरना यार अपन the main head has gone, but some person is working along with that because he has the experience. Registration is started. See we are coming with the website, new website. That's why it has been developed. Immediately जाते बघा.
New website is being
developed. कल See, her idea is to change this. Okay, make it people friendly, make it artist friendly, filmmakers friendly. That's if he is changing. Right? If you see the steering committee, all the filmmakers are in this now. So she doesn't want that the same tradition it was going, the way it was going. She wants to bring the future of cinema. That
if you're getting facelift,
new cinema. She is interested in new cinema. On this she is working all this period. Correct? So takalagun mat na baki काय अजून time असेल.
Basic preliminary.
Yeah. See, all people are working together simultaneously. So she is having meeting in Mumbai. She is having meeting in Delhi. She is having now first time meeting in Goa. She saw the premises. She got the idea. Oh, this is the play. So all things will be going to include in that. Immediately it will come out. They'll know. See, we want everyone to so change the first step for EFI is delegate registration. So when people will see the change right in the first step, then they will definitely aim, something new is happening. That will definitely happen. That's what the minister wants to do. Our CM wants to do. Right? In that line, everybody is working.
थंयच इंजिनियर डे मनयलो.
कितें आहा केन्ना कशें डिटेल्स विल बी गिवन बाय
स्टेट आणि सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेशन
कितें महत्वाचे निर्णय घेतला मोठो
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. फेम स्मृती इराणी सध्या गोयचे कुणबी साडयेचे ब्रँडिंग करता. अहमदाबादात नॅशनल हँडलूम डेचे सुवाळ्याक ती गोयची कुणब्यांची साडी घालून गेल्ली. थंय तिणें गोयचे कुणबी साडयेचो तोखणायेन जाहीर उल्लेखूय केल्लो. शुक्रारा इफ्फीचे पयलेच पत्रकार परिशदेक टेक्स्टायल्स मिनिस्टर स्मृती इराणी परत कुणबी साडी न्हेसून दिसली. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी विजय शिरीश कुंकळकार.